In this video, we will go over the following information about formatting your paper in APA: reference list, appendices, tables, and figures. Please note, all information mentioned is based on the 6th edition of the APA Style Guide. The references are a list of all of the works consulted in your research. Your reference list should be started on a new page. The word references should appear in uppercase and lowercase letters, centered. All entries should be double-spaced. The list should use the hanging indent format, meaning that the first line of each reference is aligned with the left margin and subsequent lines are indented using the special hanging indent function. Arrange entries in alphabetical order by the surname of the first author followed by the initials of the author's given name. Appendices contain material that supplements the paper's content, but that will be distracting or inappropriate in the body of the essay or article. Each appendix should begin on a separate page. If your paper only has one appendix, label it Appendix. If it has more than one appendix, label each one with a capital letter, Appendix A, Appendix B, etc., in the order in which it is mentioned in the body of the paper. Center the word appendix and the identifying capital letters at the top of the page. Each appendix must have a title. Center the title of the appendix and use uppercase and lowercase letters. Begin the text of the appendix at the left margin, followed by indented paragraphs. An appendix may contain headings, subheadings, tables, and figures. Data displays, such as tables and figures, should have a logical layout. Number all tables and figures in the order in which they are first mentioned in text, with the word table or figure before each numeral. For example, Table 2 or Figure 2. In the case that there are tables and figures in the appendix, identify those elements of the appendix with capital letters and numbers. In this example, Table A1 is the first or only table of Appendix A. Give tables a brief but explanatory title. The title should be italicized. In general, use similar formats, titles, and headings to maintain consistency in the presentation of tables. Notes should be included directly below the table as shown. A figure may be any type of illustration other than a table. For figures, include the figure number and a title with a caption below the figure. For the figure number, type figure followed by the numeral. The title of the figure should be written in sentence case. Graphs should always include a legend that explains the symbols, abbreviations, and terminology used in the figure after the title. Finally, insert a caption that explains the figure. This concludes the formatting video. Please check out our other video tutorials if you need more help.